that we have the whole shape and we're happy with it, we're going to add stitch line. So just again take your pen tool, trace around the edge of your upper, and since I did it in the wrong place, I'm going to move this layer on the very top, and you can see we don't close this path because it's only going to be a line, but we curve it so it matches the edge of the vamp, and you can move the points, the anchor points, with your arrow keys, so then they move just a little bit so it can be more precise. And just a little bit of touch-ups there and here. And when we're happy with the shape of our line, we're going to quickly click Styles button and change the solid line to dashes. And I'm going to increase the thickness of it a little bit, and I'm going to change the color so it's matching, but a little bit darker than the upper itself. And let's have a look at this. From the distance, I think it's a little bit too faint, so I'm gonna click on the line again and make it a little bit thicker. So 3 pixels here.